morning. Hi, magandang gabi. Good evening sa lahat. Nag-black out kanina. Nag-brown out dito kanina. Nag-brown out dito kanina. Nag-burn out. Brown out dito kanina. Nakapagpapalapit ako ng buhok. Black out. Nag-brown out kanina lang. Kanina lang. Pagkagaling maghamatama. Hayop kong tumingin. Kanina lang. Pagkasiyasin. Hi sa all. Gandang gabi. Okay, bilis naman naglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Hindi pa isang kisap mata. Wala na. Hindi na inariyan. Ayun na. Muhammad Gossi. Hi, Sir Muhammad. Hi to you, Sir Muhammad. What? Apnan Kiyahay? What apnan Kiyahay? What it means? Up Bahul Acha Lagtihay? What do you mean? I don't understand your language. Where are you from? How are you? Santosh talaga. May H talaga yung Santosh. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines, Santosh. Santosh talaga. Grabe sa pangalan, ha? Santosh, where are you from, Santosh? With H. Where are you from, Santosh? Muhammad Gusi, what is your language and where are you from? Thank you. Wow, nice. Thank you. Santosh, where are you from? Vlogger ka din. Santosh. Bakit may H pa? Why having an H? The Santosh. Can I speak with you? Yeah, you can speak with me, Santosh. Wow, fluent in English si Santosh, ha? I am from India. Ah, okay. You're from India. Where in India? You're from India. How old are you, Santosh? Walking tour in France. Walking tour in France. Hi. Do you like India? It depends, no? It depends from India. Walking tour in France. Hi, hello, hi. Walking tour in France. How are you? Walking. How old are you, friend? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40 years old. Santosh, I'm 40 years old. Thank you for the 8 million in my house. How old are you, Santosh? Walking tour in France. Hello. Thank you. Thank you, walking tour in France. Thank you. How old are you, Santosh? Okay, nice look. Thank you, Santosh. Thank you, Santosh, for your pleasant ano. I am 38. Ah, okay. Okay. Walking tour in France. Thank you for the heart, heart, heart emoji. Thank you so much. Where are you in France? Do you use WhatsApp? No, I'm not using WhatsApp, Santosh. I'm not using WhatsApp. Walking tour in France. Thank you so much. I'm not using WhatsApp, Santosh. Where do you live in France? Walking tour in France. Why? Too much apps on my phone. Full storage. And can you note my number? Why? Okay, write your number. What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you note my number? Okay. Walking tour in France. Where do you live in France? I want to speak with you. Why you want to speak me, Santosh? Yung Santosh mo may H. Why you want to speak me? Do you have important matter? Are you married, Santos? Maybe you are married. I think you are married. Already 38 years old. If you're not married, you have excess baggage. Walking in France. Where do you live in France? Where are you now? You're gone. Muhammad Gusi, hello. Personal, okay. I want to be your friend. You're beautiful. Grabe naman yan, Santos. Weh. No, I don't have. Salvation Palando Zop. Hi po, Salvation Palando. Hello from Sydney, Australia. Jobs 1973. Sir, hi Jobs 1973. Hello from Sydney. Thank you so much for watching from Sydney. Shout out sa mga taga Sydney. Salvation Palando. Hello po. I am single, Santos. You are single talaga, Santos. Okay. Grabe yan. Why you still single? Single at age of 38? Still single? What happened? What's up? Salvation Palando, what's up? Hello! Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you po sa pumunta. Salamat. How are you? How are you po? What's doing? Thank you for the thumbs. Thank you, sir. Thank you po, Ma'am Salvation Palando, for the thumbs up. Thank you po. Thank you so much. I don't like married life. Talaga, Santos? Really, Santos? You don't like a married life? Why? Why you don't like married? I don't like married life. Santos, why you don't like married life? Why happening? What's happening? Thank you for thumbs up. Yes. Why? Why you don't like Santos? Tell me why I'm nothing but a headache. Tell me why I'll never wanna hear you say. Just I don't like. Okay. I respect your decision sa buhay. Give me your number, I will tell you. I don't use WhatsApp, Santos. I'm not using WhatsApp. Okay, friend. I'm not using WhatsApp. Thank you for the 4 million. And please, no, I'm not using WhatsApp, promise. Please. Sorry, Santa. Sorry. Hossein, Mama Dog, baby. Why you call me baby, huh? Why, friend? Okay. I'm not using WhatsApp. Sorry, Santos. Tosh, I'm not using WhatsApp. Hossein, Mama Dog, where are you from? Why you call me baby? Baby. I don't want you to love me. Why? What's up? Why? Oh, yes, Hossein. Where are you from, Hossein, Mama Dog? Okay, from Santa. So, please.
Pauda mo man yan ako cellphone niya. Saglit lang.
7%.
Pero saglit lang na yun.
1%. Please. Mama Dog. Bumalik ka na naman. Ganyan na ginano mo dati sa akin. Don't, ganyan. Not good. It's
7%.
Thank you, God. Don't, ganyan. Don't like that.
Ay, pamaklo ka laga.
Wara. Sino yung sabi sa inyo? Sabi ko sa inyo. Nahanap ko nga ang pamaklo ko.
Nain.
Wara nga ni.
Nahanap mo. Meron na.
I will send my number note, okay? Hosea, Mama Dove, I love. Okay. Alright. Wait lang. Do you know? Hello, Cheryl. I'm not note. Hi, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay. Sorry for that. For
Yan, 10 o 17.
7 pa lang. Did you find my number? How I find your number? You didn't write your number. How I find? I have sent you. I not received you sent my number. I don't see the number. Wait lang. I don't see your you send the number. I didn't see. You're not sending your number, Santosh. Nag-send. You didn't send the number, my God. You're wrong dial. You're wrong send maybe. You're wrong send maybe. Did you find? How I find? You never send your number. You never send. $84, $93. What? 93, 96. What that mean? Can you write, Can you write full number? It's not Can you write? Gab, pinapa-charge man sa cellphone mo, Gab, Lobat na yan, Gab, sa cellphone mo. Salamat. Lobat. I didn't, Do you get my number? Do you get my number? Okay, I don't have WhatsApp. Kahit kailan, di kita. Do you use Imo? No, I'm not use Imo. I'm not using that app. Sorry. How are you doing, Cheryl? I'm doing well. You, how are you, Greg? Okay. Santosh, okay. Sorry, I don't use Imo, I don't use WhatsApp, I don't, sitting outside, yes. You are sitting outside, Greg. Okay, bye. Bye, Santosh. Take care. God bless you. Lakang na pala. Sorry. Turn around. Baka may mapala ka sa iba. Hi, ano? Malamig na naman. Ay, why? How are you, Greg? Tawa ka, Greg. Tuwang-tuwa. Happy. It's morning here, Cheryl. Okay. Good morning there in US. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. Nantok na naman. Kahit kailan Talk. Are you tired again? Tired again. It's okay. Alright. Alright. You need some rest also, yes. You, Greg, what are you doing today? You have a work? You have a work. Grabe siya. Galing yan. Gumiling ang galing. It's still early there. Yeah. It's still early here. 48 at night. I don't wanna be the face that I'm anywhere to hold. I just wanna go away. Really close. It's early there. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. All I can do is wait that hindi namin ano yan? Asa po po? Hindi na. May ano task pa ngayon eh. Pera ka oras. 1 hour. Just ano na nasa. Pero na hours na 1 half. Sa kadlaw.
Sa naka-ID, 2 oras na yan sa akin.
Nagano ba gahad? Depende sa task.
Sa taas.
You look great, Cheryl. Thank you so much. I thought I look beautiful. Ay.
Bawal mo yun.
Ay, nako, gagamit ba ga?
May luto ka ba siya?
May diyo na lang yan to. Ako ano ito? Paano ka ito na? May ano dito, may isuro dito ng sardinas. Kuha naman ito.
May sardinas mga
Ay, ba? Baka sa ano? Di mo malay na nun ano, kahit kami bagabaho doon yan.
Wala, nagpinggan.
Di mo lang yan to, pero kaya na yan to.
Batik, nagpapati ako.
Di mo, di mo yung galan. You do, L-O-L. You do, oh, lol. Lol.
55.
Oh, malapit, 5 minutes na lang. Pwede mo baga puro pondo?
Diri ba?
Daro diretso.
Yan na solo. Yan ito na kanina, pwede.
Ay, sa solo, sa Roca Oras. Tapos sa diin,
Dito sa may CS na, ito ang grupo na kami. Maski,
balik-balik ka.
pag nangatulog ka niya. Kaya di ko iPhone mo. Tapos,
Kailangan mo tapuson ang wantan. Hindi kayo buwang paliwat na kayo mo damit sila mo doon.
kasunod. Bawal na matulog. Tagaan kaya di kayo.
Oo, mayroon naman doon. Mayroon doon sa ano.
Pero hindi pa naman ang virus.
Let me see what you have on. Ha? Let me see what you have on. Let me see what you have on. What do you mean? I don't understand. Oh my God, sorry. I'm not smart in English. Or lutang na. Kahit hindi lutang, wala talaga. Si Ronald ay hindi masyado ang sa English. Arang tayo. Outfit check. Outfit check. Crop top with crop top with pants. Ano pa anong sabi? Anong sabi?
Square pants.
Dari ano sabi may air sa Ben. Nalimot ako. I forgot. Ano yan?
Ay, square pants pala. Ano yan?
Ano ba yan sa diyan? Maski sa bado pag may...
Checkers. Check it. Ay, checkers ba? Ay, ang sarap yata medyo ano. Sala.
Mali, wrong dial. Outfit check. With sandals. The sandals. Yan.
Ay,
Tapos na?
Alata mo na alata.
Pajama pants na. Pajama.
Sana tapos na.
Tapos na?
Alata. Luling pa. May salamat. Paturo na.
Kasi ano, pag nag-live si Jen eh, nakakoto ka ng
Paturo na ako. Natapos mag-yapon.
Thank you, Greg. What do you mean? Grabe naman. Yata. Hala, ano nangyari dito? Ba't may buko? Thank you so much. Is- Thank you, Greg. Sumbi sa Greg. Walang sinabi. Hindi ko nakita. Is the weather warm tonight? Yeah, but it's getting cold again. Wait, yes. I'm getting my ding ding dong. The ding dong, ding dong. The playing basketball. Still playing basketball. Yo. This still. Ay! Ay, sayang. What player is your ding dong? What flavor is your ding dong? The flavor. It's a flavor. No flavor. Ano? No flavor. Just original ding dong. No flavor. Plain, yes, plain ding dong, plain. Wait, just a wait minute. Is there a beach near your house? No. Another bayan. Ano bayan? Another town have a beach. Like Bulusan. I want to go to the beach. Maybe ano. Wait. Maybe next, not tomorrow, Saturday, next Saturday, going to the beach. You have a beach. Do you have a beach? Mali, wrong. Is there a beach near your house, Greg? Same question. That will be nice. I want to see. Wait. South Carolina has many beaches also. Wow, sana all. North Carolina has many beautiful beaches. South Carolina has many beaches to. Different ano. Sana all having a beaches. Right. Here, ano, here in Bicol, has many, ano, beautiful beaches, but, ano, Erosino Beach. 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 But I'm hours away. Ah. Few hours here. Interesting. Ay, saya. I'm hours away. My home not yet, ano, not yet finished. Low budget. You have a simple life, yeah. Simple life, so very simple. Look. Yes, so simple, as in so much. Baho. Simple, very simple life I have. If I'm rich, same to you. That's nice. If I have a car, I will go travel beautiful place here. If I have, I will vlog. No. Your house will get finished one day, yes. Will get finished one day. Maybe tomorrow. Charot. Because tonight now. Night now. But Diba? Yes, if I have a card, if I have a car, I will travel everywhere. Let's finish the house by ourselves. What? What do you mean? What do you mean, Greg? Wala. Live si Ate Bebs ngayon. Oh. Kanina pa yung live. Kanina hapon pa yun. Buti hindi nasisira yung cellphone niya. Ay, nakaano pala siya. Nakaano. Iba pala yung gamit. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Packed with 22 grams of protein. Never tasted this good. This high.
Kagabi wala man nag-Korean. Nagpaliwanag pa. Ay, feel fine.
Jericho Rosales po. Wala na. Yes, sa may kuwan. Isama na. Ayun. Ayun. Ang napawayan. Ang ako Nicole. Napakasunog ka. Pag scholarship sa mga aking nangangakuha. Katabang at resulta. Nakasugat. Nasurog sa pagpasa. Plano. Kaya ang boto ko. Ako Nicole. 131 sa Balota.
From one version to another, can become great. Like the new Great Taste White. Ngayon mas creamy at mas makapit. Tamang timpulang mas pinasarap. Lipat na sa mas pinasarap na Great Taste White.
Hi guys, I'm here with Jake. Just there.
Ba't ganyan na kasi? Baka dandruff yan? Use Head & Shoulders. Tanggal ang dandruff that causes headache. Katigawan for good dahil 100% dandruff-free ka. Sabay na! Nasa pa mong kapit dyan. Bigati ko ita. Parang surf na kung mas bigati ka. Mas bigati, kaya mas mabago.
Ang nakapuso walang pinipiling biktima. Ako walang pinipiling ipagtanggol. Saan man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Gawin tulpo, kakampi nyo sa Senado. Nurture a gifted brain with Promen. More clinically proven brain nutrients that helps her work focus, memory, language, and problem solving. Raise a gifted kid only with Promen. Pagdating na si Mama, malinis na ba lahat?
Yung banyo nila mahal.
Ay, kumabot ko pa sa plate.
Gawin dapat. Tanggal ang stains at germs dahil sa Big Formula.
Linis na. Hindi na talaga mahal.
Doors unstoppable. Sa isang umaga, kaya ko mag-magic. Magic sarap, all in one. Kaya ang lutuin, may sarap na nakakagising. Buhay na buhay ang sarap sa umaga. Gagagawan yan ang magic.
Kilala tayo ng buong mundo. Hagdang-hagdang ating bagay na kilala ko ang modernong mundo na aking mga sanga. Inura, kanilang kahit mulawat ang pagtunan sa nakakawala ng swell. Imbes na naabot ng pagkakas, yan ang bigkilan ang ating magsasaka. Marami na rin ako nailanin sa Pinas na patuloy na inaani ng mga Pilipino sa bahay. Kapot, ay nagpusubil ang mga nagpapakain sa atin.
Mag-new and improved Lucky Me Spicy sa ulo. Mas pinasarap. Mas pinasarap. Lucky Me Spicy na ulo. Lapuyo. May 30% more na.
Dahil sa bagay sa iba pa. Kahit umaga pa lang, nabalan ng alaga. Kaya dapat Alaska, ulang para buong gana. Now premiere. Yeah! Masustansya pa. Anak talagang puno siya ng gana sa umaga.
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything. If you're passionate about something, you really don't like to. It's game day. Bet 88 Sports.
That's 88.ph. Bye! Dito na po kayo.
Sarap ang may asin. Delicious with friends. Lahat daw ko. Trabaho lang. Huwag na lahat. Elegante lang isa. Mas mabilis kung matandara. Mas mabuti. Sabi ko, lahat gagawin ko nila. Pinatulong sa'yo. Nagdala na ako. Akin na to. Ako na. Dapat malinis. On the job sa Sunday Blockbusters.
Ang programa ito ay rated SPG. Strict kung panuha ang
ba yun? What do you mean? What's up, madam? What's up, madam? People?
saya di bawah semua tidak
Use your Panda 100 and enjoy 100 pesos off.
Sagad sa buto ang tibay mula sa Bear Brand. Ito lang ang may 100% vitamin D. May tibay katawan at tibay resistensya nutrients pa. Isagad ang tibay. Ang Bear Brand.
Wait lang, saglit. I can't see your your comment. What happened? It's hiding. Let's finish by hours. You have to learn how to drive first. LOL. Oh my god, you have you have a you have a comments, but I'm not reading. I read this my son. Why I heard your mom. You did it again. Yes. Game over. Get the other phone so you can read your comments. Yeah, I can read the comments. Buang-buang phone. The buang-buang phone na naman. Again. Buang-buang phone again. Buang-buang phone na naman. I read the your comments. On my, that's why I wonder what's happening. That's why I wonder what's happening. Why suddenly quiet? We're talking but yeah, I wonder why. What happened? Buang-buang phone. Buang-buang phone na naman. Yes. I need driving, I need to learn driving first. Buang-buang po na naman to, buang-buang po. Buang-buang talaga. Ano ba tong po na to? Pabuang-buang. Sumasakit ulo ko. Bakit ganarn? May I don't understand what I read now. I read the, but on my own live, I can read your comment. It is stop the let's finish the house by ourselves. It is stop at the sumakit ulo ko. Ayan po. Wala po to, wala. Can you read your comments? Can you read your comments? My your comments? My comments or your comments? The comments. I'm here, Cheryl. I can hear your mom TV. You did it again. Game over. Hit the other phone so you can read your comments. Buang-buang phone. I read it now. Ayan. Buang-buang phone. Where are you now? Where are you now? Kukuto na. Some deep inside. And if ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you forever. I think you brought 3 million in my house. My comments on other phone. My comments on other phone. Yes. This is your comments. I read your comments. The last comments. Buang-buang phone. And the next, can you read your comments? The last is my comments on the other phone. Yes, I got it. I got it. I don't understand. I didn't do anything. My phone. Naglolo ko yung phone. It always happens. I feel ouch. Maybe I refresh. Wait. No, I know na. Good. I don't know what you did. I must have processed. There, I read now. I read now naman. Good. I don't know what you did. I must have pressed a button. Yeah, I pressed the button. Okay, alright. Must have pressed the button. Fat, fat dalere. Fat dalere. Lol. Big dalere. Big. Long dalere. Long. Not fat. Long. The long dalere. Just a beautiful light. It's just a beautiful light. Dance. Wait. I practice dance. Ang pangit. Ang pangit. Ay, oh my God. Raining. Raining outside. Long daliri. Yes. Long daliri. The long daliri. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So long. Just so long daliri. So beautiful. Thank you for the thumbs up, for the 6 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Dancing in rain. Jasper Diveno, hello. You welcome back, Jasper. Sana si Bornok. Hindi na nagparamdam si Bornok. My gosh. Ano? Nag-usap na kayo ni Bornok? Wala na. Hindi nagparamdam ngayon araw si Bornok eh. Chat mo na. Nag-usap ba kayo sa Facebook? Walang paramdam si Bornok. Naisahan pa ni Bornok. Kwento-kwento lang yun si Bornok eh. Sapakin ko yun. Puro lang kwento. Puro ano yun eh. Ang daming sinasabi nun eh. Kay show. Punta siya ng US. Ganyan. Sinasakyan ko na lang yung kwento niya. Hindi man po. Kesyo, nagtatrabaho siya sa bangko. Yung mga hindi kapanipaniwala. Tapos, Kesyo, basta yun nga, nandiyan yung nag-iipon siya para sa Ferrari. Sino nag-black spot ba? Ewan ko. Hindi ko alam yung games na yan. Maulan na. Oo. Maulan na. Nag-vlog fruit. Oo. Maano kasi si ano. Ang daming kwento. Sinasakyan ko nga lang yung kwento ni Bornok. Kasi parang alata naman. Sabi ko, okay. Ganun. Malata mo na yung nagano. Sincere. Yung sabi na, may wifi kayo, Ate Cheryl? Meron. May wifi kami dito sa loob ng bahay. Pwede ka mag-connect dito. Free. Ang layo eh, no? Sabi pa ni Bornok, 27 daw yung account niya kaya pinimigay niya yung binigay sa'yo. Well, anong trabaho mo, Bornok? Ilang taon ka na pala? Mahirap kasi magtiwala sa ano sa online, lalo na pag walang assurance.
Di ba? Kahit kakilala mo pa nga, niloloko ka. Ano pa kaya yung hindi mo pa na ano. Mahirap. Ano kinakain nyo? Ding dong. Ding dong. The ding dong. Mahirap magtiwala. Wow, sarap. Ilang taon ka na, Jasper? Ilang taon ka na? Sa Lamba. Sa Kalamba. Baka Kalamba, Laguna. Nineteen, bata pa. Joke. Abatokon. Anong abatokon? Anong joke? Alin dun yung joke? 13 po. 13. Kaya pala, ano, pa sa games. Naghihingi ka ng ano, kasi 13 ka pa lang. Kasi nasa, ang may account doon, dapat legal age. Ganun ba? Bye-bye, bye-bye. Salamat sa pagbisita, Jasper. Thank you. Ingat lagi. Tulog na. Gabi na. It's a beautiful life. I'm going, ano na. I'm going inside na. Going inside. It's a green screen. Cute picture. Yes. Yeah. Ano na? The cute picture. It's me. Why? Ang hirap. Hi! Hi, Sof. Diyan ka muna. The Grand Square. Ah. Cute picture. Is that your house? No. That's not our house. Damn. I love the nature. I love the nature. I I know. Ang kulit. Dama kulit. It's wait. Ang kulit. Great smile. Great smile. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. Fall asleep na. Ano naman? The smile on your mukha. The smile on your mukha. Wait. Wait a minute. Saglit. Smile on your face. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko lang bumitaw. Where's your night coffee? It's done. It's cold coffee na. We have a no. We don't have microwave. No ref, no fridge, no microwave, no washing machine. Wait all the time to make a change. Take it easy all the time. Take your time. Da 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 da. I know you had to be alone. Why not? Do you have a microwave? Game over. Loading. Block out here. My neck. It's too late. We don't have fridge. We don't have microwave. We don't have washing machine. We don't have tab. Friday morning is so good. Yours. Great smile. Why not game over? Walang ano. Mahirap. So, mahirap ang buhay. I don't have, mahirap ang palagi. It's amazing comes before right in my heart. Let us see the world like a lot at a time. Tries to make I could never when you don't say there. Does my own face lets me know that you there's a truth in your eyes, saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says your touch Say it best. When you see nothing at all. Loading. Manifesting. Manifesting money. Manifesting money. Ka money. Sumanib ka. Thank you so 4 million people in my house. Beautiful color, the green. Antok na. Nakaantok. Nakakaantok. Oh, my love, my darling. This time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again. Pipilitin para sa watch hour. Magdadalawang oras. Yes. Success yung 2 oras. Laban lang. Puyat lang. Ano. Parang nangyayari din sa ano. Parang umagang-umaga dito sa feel at morning here in Philippines. The sunny. The sunny. Sun. Hi. 7 minutes left. 2 hours. Success the 2 hours. Kunting tiis na lang. Ano tayo?
Thank you, my silent viewer. Thank you so much. At least, thank you. Tapos, labanan ang puyat para sa watch hour. I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back, Greg. Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you have vacuum cleaner at your home, Greg? You left me. Oy, you left me. No, I'm not. Para naman tong si... Why I left? And no, suddenly, no electricity here. That's why loading. No Wi-Fi. Why you left? Why you left? You left me. Tawa ko sa'yo. You make me laugh. Everybody have a vacuum cleaner. Ah, really? Wow. Sana all. Everybody have a vacuum cleaner here. Here, just Walis, Tambo. If we have, if have a vacuum cleaner here, they call it rich. If someone, if the home have a vacuum cleaner, we call it be rich. Money. Pap. Someday. Do you have a fridge there at your home? We have no fridge here. Do you have a washing machine? Do you have a microwave, Greg? We don't have microwave. You only need a vacuum if you have a carpet. Yes, need a carpet. Thank you for the 5 million in the house. Do you have Greg, coffee maker? What else? Coffee maker. Then we all have that. Wow. We have all that. It is mandatory to have those things. Wow, sana all mandatory. Ay, naku. Talaga mandatory there to have a coffee maker, vacuum, washing machine, fridge, microwave. Do you have the kettle, electric kettle? You don't have to have money. You don't have to have money to have those things because everyone has one, huh? You don't have to have money to have those things because what? Of course, need money because how you have to that if you don't have money you can buy those things. It's not if no one can give you free for that. someone give you a fridge, someone give you a vacuum cleaner, someone give you a microwave, you need to buy it. Uh, hold on. If ever you're in once again, this time you're much better. This time I'll let you. $7.96. You can just place. In America, it's free if you don't have. Wow, sana all. It's free. Here, not free. Not free. No free here to having a fridge. No free here. Oh my God, sana all nakatira sa America. In America, it's free if you don't have. Wow, sana all talaga. You can just go place and they will give it to you. You're lucky you live there in America. Here, no. You need to work hard to have that. Work hard so much. Sana all. Sana all talaga. Nasa America. So lucky living in America. Me, we don't have any even fridge, microwave, uh, vacuum like that. No, my washing so much simple. You can just go place in the world. No one. Here you can sign up and the government will pay you and give you housing. Wow, sana all. Maybe in other country, I like that. Need sign up and the government will pay you and give you the housing. How I wish I will live there in America. I will have my own home. Sana all. Here it's so very good. I know. Government. Disappointed government here. Honestly. Not for all. Aray ko ang bukod. Saratan. So do you have and people can work till old anyway. True. They forgot to enjoy the life because the bill is life. Ay, need to pay the bills. The bills.
Yes, people can work until old and gray. Till old and gray. Huh? I will work till forever here. At least you have a work. I I see myself. I'm getting old now. I'm old now. But nothing but materials to separate. True. People work for money. Wait lang. People work for money. All about money, money, money. No money, no honey. Why? You don't look old. You look like young. You look like young a lady. You are joking. It's a joke. This time I love you forever. You do look, you do look young. I have a vocal sort. Apay. Nasaan sakit? Achoo. Thank you for the 6 million in my house. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I do my baby. I've been thinking about you lately. You look like a baby. Grabe naman. Grabe, grabe. Thank you for the happiness and faithfulness. If ever you're with me, I'm seeking. This time, when the meant to them. La, la, la. Every Sunday we have a Sunday here. Old baby. Old baby. Baby the mulag. Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo. Jokers. So joking. Joke time. No. Laglag na mata, oy. Malaglag na mata, oy. I'm excited about my second channel. Hope it works because of the I learn on YouTube. That's why my niche on my second channel. It works. I'm hoping. That's that's why need to monetize here my channel Cheryl. Shower please. Please. What is your second channel going to be about? Cheryl I no Cheryl film. All about my passion about all about the video I make. It's about what I want to upload. It's the passion. So beautiful. Beautiful for me it's so meaningful. Here mix upload, mix video. That's why I need to follow the niche. Yeah, let's get this channel monetized first. Yeah, thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. How I wish. Monetize na. I checked. It's need to maybe need to monetize in 2 months. 2 months. It's already need the one goal. Need no watch hour only. The subscribe is already checked and just you only need watching hours. Yeah, watch hours. The watch hours. That's it. Need 1,000 watch hour. God. It's really difficult, same as before. I remember. Hala ho, bunso. Ito. I will get 1,000. I will give 1,000 by myself. By myself. How you can do it? It's been a long, long one. Ano ba yung sabihin ko? How many Filipina you have a friend? Minute by minute. Minute by minute. How many Filipina do you have? How many friends Filipina do you have? Right.
jacket. The jacket. I don't know. It's a lot though. It's a lot. More Bisaya, Filipina Bisaya. You have a lot of Bisaya, Filipina. As in a lot. Oh. Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo. I don't know. Early morning, she is up. She cry, 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 and no lonely hiding again. Magkano na? Yum Yum Burger. Hello? I was Bisaya first. Okay. Hi, Yum Yum Burger. You're late. I didn't learn Tagalog until my friends in Cebu. Okay. It's me again. Yes, I remember you, Yum Yum. Why you late, Yum Yum? Ano, mini Bisaya, beautiful Filipina, mini. So maybe your friends, Bisaya, beautiful. You have learned a green screen. I know that too. Ah, yes. Thank you, Yum Yum. The green screen. Sumasakit ang tiyan ko. Baka dun sa dingdong na nakain ko. I moderate for nearly all the channel because we link each other. Ah, okay. Okay, alright. So what? So what? Parang galit ah. Parang galit yam ah. So what? Hossein, oh my God, of you. Ano sinasabi? What do you say, Hossein? Dito, dito sa puso ko. I'm gonna play this this sus. Sus, anong sus? Anong sus? Sauce, tomato sauce. Ano ba? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po. Salamat. Vince Katripan. Now watching Idol Dan. Thank you. Payakap sa mga andito. Hi Greg. Can you padikit kay ano? Vince Katripan. Padikit po kay Vince Katripan. Vince Katripan. Padikit po dito. Yam. Yakapin mo si Vince. Payakap daw. Nilalamig. Hi sir. Hi Greg. Can you si si Burns. Remove him. Who I remove? Oh. Who I remove? Who I remove? Why did you say? Huh? Yum or have? What? Payakap. He said payakap means need to follow each other like that. It's it's a call sign to it's a call sign of future. We are here in Philippines. It's mean payakap. Oh my God. Who removed? Who I need? Yum or habab? Don Yum. I didn't understand you, but I do now. Okay. Who I remove? Wait a minute.
Nobody, I need to read the comments. Okay. Nobody, I can read the comments. I have to read the comments, okay? How I remove someone? Okay, remove. I need to sleep now. I'm going to sleep now. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Go sleeping now. Bye-bye. Good night.